Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales and ready to get you through the South Dakota winter with his Crosstrek Sport. Very nice shape. We took it in trade, believe it or not, on a 74 Chevy Blazer. So it kind of went back to old style, but this has the thru rack on it. So if you need to haul stuff, you can take that off if you would like. But very nicely equipped, being a sport. Got 2 keys, low miles, 43,000 I believe. Got the eyesight package, heated seats, super nice condition. So I'm going to show you one ding on it, and that's going to be it. Aftermarket wheels with 15-inch rubber instead of 17-inch. So right here, they must, as you can see, there's a trailer brake in there, and I'm betting their trailer hit right there. So we'll probably end up getting that fixed, but if you buy it before we get it fixed, it is there. So trying to show you everything. So otherwise, really nice shape, not hardly a scratch or a ding in it. So pretty cool looking rig, definitely for a sport utility. Got a great look to it. 605-692-7010.